one has 6. Your topic is symbol alignments. Last day I have given a video which you have seen it. So you have seen that how symbols got its name, how element got its names, and how it got its symbols. There you have seen it earlier. Different signs, rounds were given, but slowly they understood it was difficult to be done. So later the initial was used, first letter, as a symbol. So Laksha was the first person to introduce it, but later when it became impossible, so it was Bacillus who have been deriving this name from English and Latin names. Symbols of some of the elements derived from the first letter of the English. Some are also having the second letter because when they have found, or the third letter, because when they have found that elements with the same name, it was becoming difficult, so they tried to give it some variety or some changes so that it would be easier. That's why they have used the third letter, like chlorine, Cl. Again in calcium, Ca. So letters according, because if Cl for calcium, then it will collide. So Ca, where the understanding the requirement, they have done the changes. Same. There one more thing was there, that some elements they gave the name from the Latin origins, like sodium, potassium, iron. They had the Latin origin. Earlier in the very beginning, the name of these minerals were given from the places where it has been discovered. Like you have seen in the video, copper was given the name of Cyprus because it was found in Cyprus. That's why. Now afterwards those things were changed and the initials were named after their Latin name. So these elements have their Latin name. Next is periodic table, which is organized by using symbols in a table called modern periodic table. Part of this modern periodic table is known as periods. They are representation of period 1, 2, and so on. The vertical columns are known as groups. See, vertical columns here, groups, and these are known as periods. So groups and periods. They were represented by 1A, 2A, 3B, etc. The name and symbols of the first 20 elements of the periodic table are listed here.